Hey guys, so today I just wanted to do a video to talk about, a little bit of, I've been getting into a bit of a healthier eating, and so I just wanted to share that with you guys on some of the work I've been doing on my diet. So I find that diet is the most important thing when you're trying to lose weight. So, I did the gym thing and, went for about 2 months to the gym. While I built some muscle, but I didn't see any weight loss, and that was, I would say, a tribute to my diet. So what I'm trying now is is changing up my diet, getting more vegetables and more lean meats into my diet. This is not going to be about a vegan or a keto or any other type of diet that's out there. I'm just going with what, showing my progress, what works for me, what tastes good, and just making it really simple and easy. Just anyone can follow. So today I'm just going to be preparing a steak, and wanted to share that with you guys. And let me know in the comments section what you think, what you like to see, what I should change, or any other suggestions you have. But what I want to make is here is a really simple steak. Prepare a meal ahead of time, and so you just have it ready when you're after work, you're hungry, or after school and you don't have time to prep. You just do this on a weekend and you've got food for a few days ready to go, all seasoned and ready. So show you what I've got here to get ready. So obviously we got the steak. You can just buy any kind of steak from your local grocery store. Doesn't have to be expensive. Just some good meat, and got some seasoning just for flavoring. So I've got some barbecue and steak flavoring and mix seasoning. I've got seasoning salt, some ground up vegetable seasoning, and turmeric. Turmeric is really important. Has a lot of health benefits. So I suggested using it every time you're cooking with any kind of meat, beef, pork, chicken, turkey. I just added to your diet. And then I've got some couple of Ziploc bags, a knife, and a fork, and a cutting board just to get cutting. So what you want to do is just make sure your surface is all clean, your hands are washed, you're clean, so you're not introducing any bacteria or anything like that to your food or meal prep. And we'll just go ahead and get started in showing you how to cut it up into pieces, season it, and bag it so that you have your meal ready. Okay, welcome back. So I thought I hit record button, and I ended up doing all the work and seasoning and chopping the steak, and found out later that wasn't recording. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys the finished product, and I'm going to kind of walk you through it. And the sunlight, nice sunny day though. Anyways, I'm going to show you what I did and what the end result looks like, and walk you through it. So hopefully you can catch on, but I'll make another video later to show you how I did it. So here's the end result. What I did is I had the steak in here. I chopped it up. I removed the extra fat. This is all fat that was kind of stuck onto the meat. And then I seasoned it with the turmeric powder first, and the vegetable mix, and then some seasoning salt. I also added drizzle of olive oil just right over the meat. And then I flipped the meat and I added the steak seasoning to the other side, to the back side, and just kind of massage that in with your fingers, and just put it into Ziploc bag. So this is how it looks like. You got small pieces, fat removed, seasoned. The yellowish tint you see is the turmeric, Now here's the steak seasoning. So this is now, you know, and you can, smaller pieces are really meant for, you know, not having to cook the entire steak when you're not going to eat all the steak. And it helps with thawing because we're going to put this in the freezer. It's already seasoned, so next time we want to have a meal, we just take it out and cook it. You can stir fry it in a pan, or you can barbecue it, or you can put it in your oven and bake it. It's ready to go. You know, smaller pieces also cook faster, so you're not waiting too long. You're not for it to cook. And yeah, so it's ready to go. Also, when it's frozen and it's thawed into, when it's in pieces, it's easier to thaw, and you only can take like 1 or 2 pieces that you need to cook and leave the rest in the freezer. Those are some of the advantages of cutting the steak into pieces and ziplocking it like this. So I got like about maybe 3 or 4 meals here that you know, you can throw on a salad or eat on its own, or add some potatoes on the side. So, you know, hopefully I'll add some more videos showing you how I'm going to cook the steak, and would love it if you guys can comment, subscribe, like on this video, and let me know what you guys like to see more, and any other suggestions or recommendations. Alright guys, so we're back, and we got our steak here that we prepared in the previous video. Now I'm going to cook it. I'm just deciding to do a quick cooking on the stove here on this pan, grill pan, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here. So got some olive oil I'm going to use to kind of drizzle. Okay, this is kind of getting hot right now. I have it on medium heat, and I'm going to take our steak and really just put it on there, like, you know, kind of spread it around. The oil, be careful, don't burn yourself. Hot oil. Turn the heat down a little bit. Just want to get those grill lines on there. That's why the heat is on a little bit high. And there you go. We got some drizzling. So we just you know, give that a few minutes. Cook. Okay, man, that sizzle sounds amazing. So we're just gonna check under. Look at those grill lines. Yeah, just making sure you're using a tongue. So I'm just gonna flip these guys over. Get the other side all cooked. There you go. Now you can cook this as much as you want. You know, I know there's different ways you can cook a steak. Obviously, you can do rare, medium rare, well done. You know, just cook to your taste. I just like my steak with no blood running out of it when I'm eating, so I do cook it a little bit on the medium well side. And so yeah, that's what you see here. So another thing is, while this is cooking here, I've got some vegetables, frozen vegetables that come prepared in a bag. You can get that from your local grocery store. And I'm just going to pour that on the side. On the side of the steak. And do the good old olive oil a bit. Right. And just let that thaw and cook a little bit while the steak is going. And we'll just let that cook a little bit, and we'll be back once the meal is done. Alright, welcome back. So yeah, our steak is done here. Got some nice lines on there. It's all cooked. Our veggies are ready. To cook the veggies a little bit faster, I just put this lid over it. It'll help you kind of thaw and cook a little bit faster. And the last thing is, I just added a pinch of soy sauce, just a little bit of drizzle, just for some flavor. There you go. And I think we're done here. So just take these guys over into the plate. Okay. Carrot doesn't want to come off. Okay, there we go. So there you go. We got some steak and veggies ready to go. That's so yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.